Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet reindeer ears. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we make 2 half double crochet stitches in back loop of each single stitch. Okay, we are making 2 half double crochet stitches in this round. We are making 2 half double crochet stitches in back loop of each single stitch. All around we are going to do the same work. So it's like 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch. We are making 2 half double crochet stitches using back loop of every stitch. Okay, so I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Here we have completed round, making 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch using only back loop. Now we are joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, after that we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, all around 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. See, this is how it looks after completing. Okay, once we are done, we will fold a circle in one side. Okay, and the side which we have fold, there we will join 2-3 stitches so that we get a pointed end. Okay, so we will insert a needle in 2 parallel stitches. See, like this, in 2 parallel stitches we will insert a needle at once, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a single crochet stitch. Then again insert a needle in 2 parallel stitches, grab the yarn, pull through, and make a single crochet stitch. And 1 more. That's it. Not more than that. 3 stitches we will be joining. So this is how. Now see, this one end we have a circular part and one end is that pointed one. So circular part we will stitch to face and that pointed one will be outside. So following exactly same pattern, make 1 more ear. See, this is how our reindeer ear looks like. This is how they look, these ears look on reindeer face applique. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.